Most people assume that buying a budget-friendly drone means you're just waiting for it to fall out of the sky. And honestly, it is a valid fear. You spend your hard-earned money. You unbox what looks like a plastic toy. Then, the first gust of wind takes it away forever. But this latest Jeps-guided flyer feels different right from the moment you pull it out of the box. There's a certain maturity in the frame. It has a weight to it that you do not usually see at this price point. The body is sturdy. It feels like a serious piece of equipment. This matters because a solid frame means fewer rattles during flight, more stability in the wind, and a much better chance of surviving a rocky landing. Setting it up is surprisingly smooth. You do not have to be a tech genius to get it going. The controller pairs with the aircraft almost instantly. Then you have the companion app. It actually walks you through the basics. It shows you where the buttons are. It explains the settings in plain language. You are not left guessing while your battery drains on the ground. This ease of use is a massive win for anyone who is terrified of their first flight. Once you actually get it into the sky, that is where the magic happens. The internal satellite tracking keeps it locked in place. You can literally take your hands off the joysticks, and it just sits there, perfectly still. It makes the whole experience predictable. It takes away that heart-racing panic that usually comes with flying something expensive. Real users are reporting that the footage is quite impressive for the cost. If you have good lighting, the colors are bright, the images are sharp. The detail is definitely high enough for a great social media post or a casual travel video. But let's be honest here. You have to keep your expectations in check. This is not going to replace a professional cinema camera. It is not for a big budget movie set. It is for capturing memories. It is for having fun. You get about 15 to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. It is not breaking any records, but it gives you enough room to explore. You can fly around the park. You can orbit a building. You can use the smart follow me mode to track your movement. It even has a reliable return to home feature. That is a huge stress reliever. If the signal gets weak or the battery gets low, it just comes back to you. However, nothing is perfect. The flight range can be a bit of a tease. If you are in a suburban area with lots of houses and wireless signals, the connection might start to flicker before you reach the advertised distance. It is not like obstacles or interference. And then there is the app interface. It feels a bit basic. It can be a little laggy at times. This can be frustrating when you are trying to adjust your camera settings while the drone is high in the air. It just lacks that premium polish you see on the high-end brands. But at the end of the day, for someone looking to start their aerial journey, this is a fantastic entry point. It is reliable. It is tough. It is a solid choice for casual creators who want to see the world from a new perspective without spending a fortune. It feels like a real machine. And that is exactly what you want when you are hovering 100 feet in the air.